Hi everyone, Merlou here from Casa Mariposa. I want to show you a quick update on our vegetable raised beds so you can see how well. Here's our tomatoes. You can see loaded with green tomatoes, and we even have a few ripening tomatoes. And look at these underneath. Tons and tons of tomatoes here. We're very excited. We have some other of the tomatoes I started from seed are coming up down here. We have some blossoms on them. The basil's doing very well. We have a big eggplant that is getting some blossoms. It had another blossom that seems to be missing. Interesting. Then we have our cucumbers. We've already picked 4 or 5 cucumbers, and you can see there's a number more that are almost ready. Over here we have our green beans. I'm going to be picking those today. They're a little bit harder to see, but there's definitely some on here that are ready to be picked. We also have our peppers. We've picked a number of jalapenos. You can see we have some more coming on. We have, this is just a little regular green pepper. Some other peppers here. And the herbs are also doing great. So thanks for checking in, and we hope you enjoyed this video and it could be helpful with your garden. A couple things I wanted to mention with this video is we've started a new technique this year that seems to be working really well, and we're using algae to do a foliar spray. Bob read about this and decided to try it. So he has a quart-sized spray bottle that he fills with rainwater, and then he adds a half a teaspoon of algae, and he's spraying this on once a week. Yeah, around once a week, sometimes twice, but you can see that our plants are just super healthy and producing like crazy. And it also seems to be helping with any kind of powdery mildew or those type of problems that we have had sometimes in the past. So you might want to try that in your garden if you are having similar issues. Again, thanks for stopping by Casa Mariposa. If you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.